No need to go out shopping for home decor. Make your own at home. Just grab a roll of toilet paper. Cut some long lengths of yarn, about a yard or so each. With a hot glue gun, apply a small dot of glue on the inside edge of the toilet paper roll. Lay the end of a length of yarn on the glue and let it dry until it is securely attached to the roll. Wrap the yarn around the outside of the roll and stuff the yarn through the inner hole to the other side. Continue to wrap the outside of the toilet paper roll with the yarn side by side. When you get to the end of the yarn length, simply glue the end to the inside of the roll. Continue with additional lengths of yarn until you wrap the yarn around the entire outer surface of the roll. Glue and restart the yarn as needed. Glue the final yarn end to the inside of the roll. Then apply some glue to the ends of a couple of cinnamon sticks and stick them into the top of the yarn-wrapped roll. Wrap the sticks with a ribbon and add a fall-colored leaf to the side of the cinnamon sticks. Display your new autumn pumpkin to usher in a beautiful fall season. Shop your closet at home and grab a pillar candle. Then grab a single paper napkin. Measure the height of the candle, mark the measurement on the back side of the napkin, and cut the napkin so it is the same height and circumference of the candle. Take your cut piece of napkin and peel the top layer away from the bottom. Keep the patterned layer and discard the plain layer. Wrap this top layer around the pillar candle and line up the edges so the candle is evenly covered. Tear a large piece of wax paper and wrap the napkin-covered candle with the wax paper. Set an iron on medium-low heat. I set mine between 3 and 4 on the heat setting. Lightly press the iron across the top of the wax-covered napkin-wrapped candle. Cover the entire outside surface of the candle with low heat. Keep the pressure light and let the heat do the work. Peel away the wax paper and reveal your new, gorgeous patterned candle. Display your candle with other fall decor and enjoy its beautiful ambience, whether you light the candle or not. I hope this inspired you to make a beautiful textured pumpkin as well as elegant patterned pillar candles just from shopping your own house. Thanks for watching Home Talk. I'll see you next time.